Press the record button.
Already did.
Damn it.
Hi, I'm VudO.
And Demon.
So yeah, we actually have something new. It's a tutorial. Woohoo! Woohoo! What's a tutorial, Demon?
It's a video where we show you how stuff works.
Yeah, it's
In this... What's it called?
tutorial.
Yeah, in this tutorial we are gonna show you how button warp works.
Yeah, so this is an explanatory video. Actually it would be marked how to. And then after that, the title of the video. So, like we have the DK, like that's the Danish video stuff. And just for noticing, this is a Bukkit plugin we're gonna show you how to use. Installing it is easy, very easy. You download it, and of course there's a download description, download link to the download in the description. Fuck it, I'm just.
There's a link to the download page in the description.
Yep, that's what I was.
And the way you install it is just by putting the jar file into the plugin folder and start the server. And then it's started.
Yep.
And then you can use it.
Yep. And just for safekeepings, just stop and restart it 2 more times, just for good old time's sakes.
And if you just don't feel like trusting us, make a backup.
Yeah. Yeah. So this particular plugin is called Button Warp. Actually, this is the main teleporting feature. Actually, it's the only teleporting featuring plugin that we have in our main server, and this is, by the way, Demon's newly started server, and it's just for us and tutorials and stuff, other videos. So, and what it actually is, it's you got a button here, and maybe in the server we got some blah 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 sign saying all kinds of crap, and then you just press it, and then whoop, you're there. So that's actually the main part about what the frick this plugin is doing.
Yeah, so first of all I'm gonna go like here.
So he's actually writing test 1. T-I-E-S-T, test 1, test 2. Let me guess, that's a test 3. Yeah, oh, a test 4? Yeah! That's how we do it. And I'm just gonna place the buttons.
Yeah. I'm gonna go into a random destination in the maps.
Yep.
Bye.
See ya.
Yeah.
And that's when he says ready, I'm pointing at the button right now, as you can see. The cursor is on the button.
And the way I do this is to make the warp place.
Yeah.
Is slash make and it
no. It's
slash
BW
make, and in this case it's test 1, right?
Test 1, like it's written on my screen.
Test,
for example, we'll show you, of course. And here by me.
And I did that.
Yeah. So now he made the location. Now I'm gonna go in and say BW button warp. Oh yeah.
If
link LELINK link and TEST 1. Let's see if it works.
Stop just a second. You're gonna
first of all, button has been linked to warp test 1. Yeah. Before we do this, let's just say this is our main teleporting room. So
call it back.
Call it back.
Back.
Okay. So I'm gonna go in, say BW MAKE make and BACK back. Enter. Now that has been made. So now Demon is linking it up, and let's see first of all this test 1 is working. Whoa! Shit! we're in a jungle biome. Whoa. And so this is where that one got us to. Exciting. Let's see, TP back. Yeah, he linked it. And exactly where I was. When you make the make, you can make it like show you, like I can make here where you're looking up there. Then when you teleport there, that's where you're gonna look at that exact same block. Demon, for example, next time you make one, you can make it to, like, I don't know, where you're looking down on the ground. Let's say that, yeah.
Okay, but test 2 is not doing that.
So
but I have already created it.
Okay, so just for funsies, let's go over how you link it again. VudO, L-I-N-K, link, T-E-S-T, 2. Boom. Bloop. Of course it didn't. Okay, here's another cool feature. You've made a button warp, and you just want to go to it, and you're someplace random in the world. And you place down a make one someplace, then just say VW, and then, let's see, okay, we want to go back. Back. Bloop. Hey, we're here. So that's the fastest. Was it that?
Yeah. I don't know.
That is the fastest way to teleport between things. Of course, only ops can do that. But you got the specialty of letting everybody in the whole entire server just use button warp. Everybody who can press a button. So if you got permissions, yeah, that I haven't linked it yet. If you have permissions, you can just say, okay, you can't use buttons. That group of people can't use buttons. Done. Yep, looking down in the ground. Was this to pose your stroke when you made it? Was this it?
Yeah. Look around you.
Holy Christ and crap, you just don't want me to go back. But let's say screw that. E-A-C-K. Boom. Back again.
I have linked it.
You have linked it already. This guy is... See, I'm looking at this guy. So this was actually... awesome. And I know that many of you always get... use Multiverse. But I find it... We actually tried it, but... I really don't like Multiverse. You have to mark the gate, blah 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 blah, and it's really, really freaking complicated. Here you have one of the most easiest, and even though if you have Multiverse, you just need the core. You don't need the gates. If you got the core, you can actually have multiple world maps in your server. For example, in our server, we have a normal map, the creative map that we're always on, where we got our redstone actually, and then there's the cities and stuff where all the people are. Other than that, one of the newest features, newest-ish, is the survival map. The survival map, everybody can do anything in there. Anything. Although they can destroy some houses that we built, so they actually have some pre-located homes.
A hotel, if you like.
Hotel, yeah. Or motel. And other than that, one of our subscribers on Facebook, actually a really geniusly builder, he made this enormous, gigantical city. It's just really awesome, and it's...
We're gonna put up a picture of it with taken from Dunmap.
Yeah, Dune Map. It's another plugin. It should be coming up right now, and just for a little while. So yeah, I'm just gonna explain. And that's a city that you're looking at there. That's in a whole nother server-ish. It's just another map. So actually, you're not limited to one map. If you don't like that map, put in another one. Like you got the Nether and the End. You got one world, and how many ever you can handle, and that's Multiverse core. We'll of course be making a tutorial on that too, but
later.
Yeah, later. But of course, the button warps work through that too, and it's really easy. So, yeah. I don't know. Do you have anything more to say? For example, what we did for our, what we are about to gonna do to our survival server with the clear inventory and stuff.
We gonna put a link to this page also. It's a complete command list. There, it can actually work with economy, and it has to cost people money to teleport via the warp gates. And
buttons, warp buttons.
Yeah, warp button, whatever. And it can also pay players
to use them.
Yeah.
Hey, what's making you a home?
And it, for example, if VudO owned a warp gate, I would pay him for using his warp gates.
Yeah.
And it can set cooldown, that it has to cool down time, for example 2 days. It can put a max numbers of time you have to use it before cooldown time sets in. You can move it, you can, the different warps, you can unlink and so on. Even when you're in game, VudO, you should try typing this.
Yep.
/bv
yeah.
help og så setup.
Like this?
Yeah.
Whoa!
It shows you all the stuff that can be done. If you type in
you can actually give them a message after they use the warp.
Yeah. If you type /bw help create, you get a menu of how to create these stuff. Like a tutorial just on the screen, and you have to push T every time you want to read it again or rewrite it.
See if there's a second one.
There it is.
There it is.
Just try like this.
You're typing ready.
Like that.
Like that.
Yeah.
So this is how you create it.
Yeah.
Unique.
You make and
unlink.
Link, unlink, and you can also delete the warp, so it. Oh yeah, also another feature. BW back. Now I accidentally just broke this button. God damn it! I mean, just a second.
Where are you?
I broke the button that was here.
Oh yeah, there.
And you can just place it and buy.
So, whoa! Okay.
Yeah.
VudO killed it too. You saw that, guys. BW, BACK. Yep, no button. Let's see if that works again. Yep, still pointing at the sky. So the block actually remembers what its destination was.
As long as it is a button that is placed again. I don't know if it remembers if it isn't a button. I haven't tested it, but it's
maybe it's only one button. That means if it's not a button, it doesn't work.
Yeah, like I don't want you using this no more. Like that.
Okay. Okay, so if I do like this now, it still works.
Yeah.
Holy Christ.
But you can remove them, and people won't know that there are gates. Warp gates there.
So like if we do like this, and let's just do like that and that. So now if I wanna, okay, I'm just gonna go this way. Okay, even if you remove the block, it still remembers it.
Yeah, it's not just any block that remembers it. It is the block in. God damn it.
It's simply the air spot.
Yeah, it is this block that remembers it.
Yeah, you could just replace it with gold, you know, so we would see it. Like doing this. Let's see if you change. Okay, even if you change the entity of the block, it remembers it.
Yeah, it's a pretty neat plugin.
Yeah.
We have had a lot of fun with it and
Really.
fun exploring it. I don't remember if we actually tried finding tutorials on YouTube, did we?
No. Just.
No, just having fun with it.
Yeah.
And there are so many stuff you can do with it. You can modify you can in the button warp command you got in-game help.
In-game help.
Which is what create help create did, and help setup, and there's also another one called help button. It displays what button modification help page. But there is creating a warp, setting up a warp, modify a button, and there's also other commands. VudO name, teleport to the specific location. List, get a list of warps. Try the list to show it off. Reset it, and then the name, it resets activation times for all buttons in the specific warp. And BW reset all, reset, and BW RL.
RL. What does that mean?
Reload.
Reload. And that.
Reload the button warp plugin.
Does it then delete it all?
I don't think so. Let's try. BW RL. Button warp reloaded.
Nope. I'm still alive.
Yeah. And just for funsies, we're gonna try a little command I found just for fun. BW.
You got problem writing right now.
I know. Move test for nowhere.
So that means it doesn't go anywhere.
Oh, sorry. Right. I saw it wrong. It says now here. Try pressing.
Okay,
Okay,
let's.
apparently nothing happens. Does. It should move the destination of the specific warp to now here.
Weird.
Yeah.
So yeah, let us try something here. BW and DENU. I deny ITEMS items. Yeah. Cannot take items when you're using this button warp. Cannot take items when you're using. I want to use my items.
Now I have dropped every item I had in my inventory, and whoopsie, I can go. You can't. Haha. Take that. Get my stuff back.
I can too. It took my stuff too. Whatever.
Like one torch, one. Fuck it.
Yeah, sorry, my bad. I just did like this. So yeah, actually that's all we want to talk about for this, I think. Or do you have anything to incorporate?
Nope.
Yep.
Not. God damn it. How do I say it? There's one more thing. You have to have vault.
Yeah.
In the plugin.
Yeah, and Vault is an economical system like economy, and it's really, really brilliant, and it's easy to use, and also Vault gives you, I think it's Vault that gives you the bottle mail. It's actually just a mail system. Whatever settings your computer is in, it displays it on that language. That means that me and Demon's computers are in Danish.
Nope, that's Essentile.
Oh yeah, that's Essentials.
We have no bottle mail.
Ah, shit. Okay, just forget I said anything. But
It
Vault
is just econ system.
Yep, and it's easy to use. And when we figure out totally how to use that system, we'll make a tutorial about that too. So I just promise you guys 2 more tutorials. So yeah, and plus now I just gonna promise you something more. We'll edit tutorial. So yeah, I'll be saying bye now, and Demon will be saying the same, I guess.
Goodbye.
Goodbye bye. Goodbye bye. See you on the next video.